Hey guys, Chris here from ProtectingCoin.com, and wanted to do a quick open boxing of the ProtectingCoin Hideaway mount for the Trezor wallet. So this is if you wanted to mount your Trezor under a desk, under a drawer, behind a bookcase. You see there's a slot there, and we do include screws with it as well. These are 1/2-inch wood screws, but you could switch them out for any screw, depending on whatever surface you want to mount to. Let's go ahead and open that up. You see this one. This one does say HODL on it. This is my personal favorite color is the red. It also comes in white. You see this one has the Bitcoin logo on it, and that is embossed there. And then the HODL is actually engraved into it. We also have blank if you don't want anything on it, and it comes in white, red, black, and orange. So we'll go ahead and open this up. It comes with everything you need there. You've got your screws, there's the opening, and here is a Trezor wallet. So you could just insert that in there. You see it does stick out a little bit. That's just so you can grab onto it to pull it out. So we'll insert that back. Now it does have a very secure fit, so you see it's not going to just fall out or anything like that. So you don't have to worry about that. But you could mount that up under a desk, behind something, really anywhere you want. You may also, some people want to, they just want a place to always have it. So they'll mount it on top of something, but it's just a place where they know it's always going to be, so it doesn't get shuffled around on the desk. So you could mount this really anywhere that you'd like. But again, it comes in 3 different designs. We've got the HODL, we've got the Bitcoin logo, and blank. And across those designs, we offer red, white, orange, and black. So if you have any other questions, just let us know. You can find these directly on ProtectingCoin.com. All right, hope you enjoy the product. Thank you.